Hello children. Today we are going to learn the letter G. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter G. G for giraffe. G for grapes. G for girl. G for goat. G for guitar. This is the letter G. Reading fun. Now, let's read a short story together. A giggling girl played a cheerful tune on her guitar. A giraffe and goat gathered there to enjoy the sound of guitar and eating grapes. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students that goat is a pet animal. We get milk and meat from it. T. Listen to the letter G by watching video. E. Make a giraffe with the help of Play-Doh. A. Draw a bunch of grapes and color it green. M. Count objects beginning with the sound G around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. G-A-P. Gap. G-U-N. Gun. G-O-T. Got. Well done, children. Goodbye.